What's going on, people? Welcome back to a Jamaican Alpha Space. All right. So, in the movie Cool Runnings, Cool Runnings is a popular Jamaican. Well, it's not a Jamaican movie, but it is based around Jamaica entering the Winter Olympics, doing bobsled. I think it was the Winter Olympics. But go and watch the movie if you haven't seen it before. Right? In the movie, there's a part where Sanka, who is the Rasta, is talking to Tyrese, right? And Tyrese said to him that this is the Olympics. This is no pushcart derby. Now, you hear how that sound, they're trying to replicate the Jamaican accent, but as a Jamaican, how would I say that is? At the Olympics, this is no brother. This is no pushcart derby, friend. You see me? Alright. At the Olympics, this is no pushcart derby, brother. You understand? So you hear how there's a difference in how we speak. So they're trying to replicate it, but it's really not coming across. And that's why I believe that Jamaican should be casting Jamaican